Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to create a watch list on Robinhood. Maybe you want to create a list for all tech stocks, or maybe you want to create a list for all international stocks or foreign stocks. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But how it'll work is that if you go ahead and log into your Robinhood account and then scroll all the way down, you'll see this option here that says lists. So what you'll do is that you're going to click on create watch list or screener. And then with that, you can create a watch list by clicking on create watch list. So here we can name it tech and then click on create. Now with this list, you can click on find stocks and you can find different stocks that you want to go ahead and add. So if we want to add an Apple, we would just click on the plus sign and then there we have it. We've now added our first stock into this tech watch list. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create a watch list on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.